Hi there, welcome to the learning outcome. I can graph linear functions using point-slope form. So the first thing we need to see is point-slope form of a linear equation or linear function. That looks like y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, where m is the slope and x1 comma y1 is a point on the line. Okay, so I want you to have that and be thinking about that as we look at an example. Okay, so as we look at a problem, y minus 5 equals 2/3 times x plus 3. Okay, so things that we have to identify as we look at point-slope form. We have to identify the slope. Okay, so looking at this, hopefully you see our slope is 2/3. That's a rise of 2 and a run of 3. Okay, we also have to identify the point that's on the line. Our point. Okay, so if you remember our form, I have to rewrite it. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so what's tricky about this? The form gave us x1, y1. So we need the opposite of what we see. So if we see a negative sign, then it's a positive x1. Okay, here we see plus 3. So the x value in my point is going to be negative 3. Okay, right here we see minus 5. So the y value in my point is going to be positive 5. Okay, so now we're going to graph that using the point and the slope. It's kind of like slope-intercept, except we're starting here. So we start with this point. Okay, so x is negative 3. 1, 2, 3. And y is 5. That's right here. Okay, from there I'm going to rise up to 1, 2, and run 3. 1, 2, 3. So there's my next point. Okay, I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Remember, you could always work backwards, go down 2 and back 3. Could do that. Really, all you need are 2 points to make a line. And we're going to make our line right through there. Okay? So really, it's identifying the point, identifying the slope, and then graphing. So what I want you to do for class is look at the equation y plus 8 equals negative 5 times x minus 2. I want you to write that down. I want you to identify what is the slope of this line and what's the point. What's the point? No, seriously though. What's your x and y value that falls on that line? Okay, thanks very much.